Now, JAMB has given us the final opportunity for you to rewrite your JAMB exam 2025. If you had an issue with your maybe you had an issue, you couldn't write, your score was low, and all the rest, you now have an opportunity to rewrite the exam. And this is a breaking news, and I'm going to give you the information right now. JAMB portal non-active. JAMB has activated the portal, right? JAMB has activated the portal for candidates eligible for 2025 mop-up UTME examination. Yesterday, I talked to you about the mop-up exam. And what did they say about the mop-up? You know, after the main JAMB, JAMB also did another kind of JAMB exam, which was for those of you that in Lagos and the Southeast that that scored very low. Now there's a third opportunity that JAMB is giving. That opportunity is for those of you that missed any of the exam. If you had a JAMB exam and you were not able to write it, maybe the main exam or the second exam, JAMB has given you the final opportunity. Now what do you have to do? Go over to this link on the screen, https://slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng/print examination slip. Just go to this link. If you need me to share the link with you, I can share with you, but that is if you are a member of our YouTube channel. If you're a member, how do you become a member? Just click on join. You can see join on the screen. Click on it to become a member. Then also click on like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But first, click on this link. If you need me to share this link with you, just let me know. Take advantage of this opportunity right now to see if you can perform better in your 2025 examination. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch. Remember, subscribe, like this video, share this video, and click on join if you need me to guide you and share the necessary links with you. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.